How to DM someone on Twitter. First, open the Twitter application on your device. Now, on Twitter, you can only send a DM if you follow each other. But if the account has their direct messaging settings set to receive a message request from everyone, then you can send them a DM by following the process that I'm going to show you. First of all, if you also want to set your direct message setting to allow message requests from everyone, what you can do is tap on the profile icon and then go to settings and support, tap on settings and privacy. From here, you want to tap on privacy and safety and then tap on direct messages. And from this, you can toggle on the option of allow message request from everyone. Now, let's say that an account has done all of this and it has allowed message requests from everyone. So how to DM them? All you have to do is go back to your home page. And in here, you want to tap on the message icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. And this is your message box. So over here, you'll be able to see all of your DMs. So in here, you want to tap on this new icon right here, and here you can search for any of the account that you want to send a message to. Now over here, you can start DMing. Just tap on the paper plane icon and here you can see the message has been sent. So you can send GIFs and you can also send stickers and photos from your gallery as well. So this is how you can send DMs on Twitter. Now another thing is Twitter has added the function of voice messages as well. So you can use this button right here to send a voice message. Now another thing that you can do is go to your home page and tap on the search icon at the bottom, and from here you can search the account to whom you want to send the DM. And once you have opened the account, you will find the message icon on their profile. Simply tap on it and here you can send them a DM over here as well. So this is how you can send DM on Twitter. We hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.